Good day. I am Professor Anna-Mart Engelbrecht from the Department of Physiological Sciences, and today I will present the Biomedical Mathematical Sciences program. So the specific admission requirements for this program is Afrikaans or English 4, Physical Sciences 4 and Mathematics 7. So in your first year you need to take 140 credits of subjects. So your compulsory modules will be applied mathematics, biology, chemistry, mathematics and science in context. And then you have 32 credits of elective modules, which include biology, physics, computer sciences, and probability theory or statistics. In your second year, your compulsory modules will be biochemistry, biometry, physiology, and mathematics. Then you can take 16 to 32 credits of elective modules, and they will include applied mathematics, computer sciences, and mathematics. In your third year, you must have a total of 128 credits. The compulsory modules are physiology, all 4 modules, and biomathematics, which is a year module 374. The elective modules will be, you can choose either 16 or 32 credits, and it includes applied mathematics, mathematics, and mathematics 378. So what are physiological sciences? Physiological sciences is the study of how the human body works, from molecules and cells to organs and entire systems. It explores how the body maintains health, adapts to challenges, and what goes wrong in disease, providing the foundation for understanding medicine, health, and biomedical innovation. We also investigate the effects of factors such as aging, injury, physical activity, disease, lifestyle, stress, and genetics on the human body. In our department, we conduct research on various models, including human and animal models, and we also investigate molecular mechanisms in cellular models. How our body function is shaped by genes and proteins, which control how cells and organs behave. In our research, we use modern technologies such as gene sequencing and protein analysis to understand these processes. These approaches generate large amounts of complex data sets, and students learn how to use analytical thinking, computer tools, and basic mathematical skills to turn data into meaningful insights for research and for real-world clinical applications. One of the new exciting fields of medicine is personalized medicine. As genetic sequencing becomes much cheaper, patients will soon be able to request routine genetic screening, which will make diagnosis more accurate and treatment more effective. We therefore need bioinformaticians to analyze genetic data and create reports for clinicians to treat patients with drugs based on their genetic makeup. The Biomedical Mathematical program was initially developed to serve as a feeder program for the MSc in Biomedical Engineering. After completion of your BSc degree in Biomedical Mathematical Sciences, you must first do an honours in Physiological Sciences or Mathematical Sciences, or a relevant postgraduate diploma before you can enter the MSc in biomedical engineering. So what is biomedical engineering? It is where medicine, biology and engineering comes together to improve healthcare and save lives. Biomedical engineers design technologies that help doctors diagnose diseases, monitor patients and deliver better treatments. So what will you learn? As a biomedical engineering student, you will gain skills in human biology and physiology, mathematics and physics, electronics and instrumentation, computer programming and data analysis. We'll also do medical imaging and signal processing, biomaterials and tissue engineering. This combination allows you to understand both the human body and the technology used to support it. So what problems do biomedical engineers solve? Designing affordable medical devices for hospitals and clinics. They will be able to develop wearable sensors to monitor health in real time. They will be able to create prosthetics and assistive technologies. And they will be able to improve imaging technologies like MRI and ultrasound. They will also be able to use data and artificial intelligence to support clinical decision making. and they will be able to develop innovative solutions for healthcare challenges in resource-limited settings. So where can this degree take you? Graduates can work in hospitals and clinical engineering departments. They can work in medical device companies and pharmaceutical companies, research laboratories and universities, health technology startups, and graduates can also fulfill regulatory and quality assurance roles. So why must you choose biomedical engineering? If you enjoy science, technology and problem solving, and you want to work to make a real difference in people's lives, biomedical engineering offers a meaningful and exciting career path. You won't just build technology, you'll help improve health and shape the future of medicine. So the academic outcomes of this program is you will acquire basic knowledge of the working of the human body. You will be able to identify abnormalities in the human body. You will learn how lifestyle choices such as nutrition, exercise and stress influence optimal function of the body. And popular physiological questions such as cloning, genetic manipulation and stem cell therapy will be answered. You will gain knowledge in foundational areas of mathematics and computer sciences. You will develop mathematical and computational thinking skills, and you'll be able to apply mathematical knowledge and to solve mathematical and computational problems. And the generic outcomes of this program are you will gain critical thinking skills, retrieve, extract and condense data. You will learn how to answer scientific questions as well as scientific communication. You will get a lot of practice in doing presentations as well as scientific writing. And you will develop numerous very sought-after skills during the course of your degree. There are many career options for biomedical mathematical sciences. You can become a biomedical engineer after completion of an MSc in biomedical engineering, or a data analyst, or a bioinformatician. They apply technological resources to answer biological questions in life sciences, medicine, and health-related fields. They develop systems, databases, and methodologies to collect and analyze data for clinical or research purposes, and they usually work as part of a multidisciplinary team. A biomathematician uses mathematical, statistical, and computational methods to solve complex biological problems. You'll be able to work as a researcher in pharmaceutical industry, or you can enter academia and become a lecturer or a researcher. Thank you for listening to me. I hope I see all of you next year here on campus, starting this very exciting next part of your lives. You can anytime contact me. My email address is ame@san.ac.za. Thank you.